And Dorian continues to batter the Bahamas, killing at least 5 people there.
Meanwhile, hundreds of thousands of people have been ordered to evacuate parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina before the storm moves to the East Coast later today. WCIA 3's Jen Lask joins us live in the control room now. Jen, you spoke with a Red Cross volunteer from right here in Central Illinois.
I did, Christy. I spoke with Cindy Clark, who's traveling with another woman from Peoria from the Central Illinois Red Cross chapter down to Florida. Clark says that she's been waiting in Jacksonville and hasn't been assigned to a shelter yet. She could either stay in Florida or be sent to Georgia. The storm center is currently forecast to stay offshore, but there's still the chance of life-threatening storm surges. The entire South Carolina coast is under a mandatory evacuation, as well as Georgia's Atlantic coast and parts of Florida. More than 1,300 flights have been canceled in the region as well. The storm is expected to draw closer to Florida's east coast later today through tomorrow before moving up toward Georgia and South Carolina. Clark says 85 people have already arrived at the Jacksonville shelter that she's been waiting at, and she's expecting that number to go up.
It's basically to help the people and you know, in their time of need. They have to have a place to stay, and since I'm free and available to help out, it means a lot to me to be able to make us, a person feel better.
This is Clark's 6th major deployment in 4 years. Her last disaster response was the Camp Fire in January. Clark says she'll keep me posted throughout the week on where she goes. Reporting live in the control room, Jen Lask, WCIA 3, your local news leader.